Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find frequently asked questions on the Noji application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the first page, and if you want to find the questions, just go to the lower bar and click to the settings icon at the lower right corner of the home screen, and in the other section you can find the help center, the second option. Click that and you can find different questions about different topics, for example how to make flashcards, and you can read the info about that. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.